Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create product discounts in WooCommerce using the product adjustment feature. This feature allows you to automatically modify product prices in the shop without using coupon codes. You can see it on the screen. I will add this product to the cart and then add one more item. Let's take a look at the original price is $20 and a 20% discount has been applied, so the final price becomes $16. In this tutorial, I will show you 3 practical examples so you can fully understand how this feature works. Giving 20% off all products. Apply a $5 discount on selected products. Creating a 50% discount for an entire product category. For each one, I will show you how to set it up in the back end and how it looks live on your store. Let's start with the first example, how to create a store-wide 20% discount for all products. Go to WooCommerce, Settings, Dynamic Discounts, then click Add New Rule. Enable the rule so the rule can start working on your store. Below that, there's an option called Apply this rule if marked and ignore all other rules. If you enable it, this rule will override other discount rules when it's applied. In the rule name, enter something like 20% off store-wide. This helps you identify the rule later in your admin panel. Next, go to the discount type drop-down. Select Product Adjustment. For this example, we want the discount to apply to all products in the store, so we don't need to add any filters. Leaving the filter section empty means the rule will apply to every product. Now scroll down to the discount settings. Set discount type percentage discount. Enter the values 20. This means every product will receive 20% off automatically. Next, we have the discount bar option. Enable it to show the message on the storefront to let customers know that a discount has been applied. Click Save Rule. Now let's test it. Go to the shop page. You can see that all products are automatically discounted by 20%. Add any product to the cart. The original price is $20, and after 20% discount, the final price becomes $16. There's also a discount message displayed below the product, letting customer know that this promotion is active. Add product to the cart. You can also see how much the customer saves for each item. This confirms the store-wide discount is working correctly. So now let's look at the second example. Instead of applying a discount to all products, we will apply a fixed $5 discount to specific products only. Again, click Add New Rule. Enable the rule. Enter a rule name like $5 discount on selected t-shirt and cap. In the discount type drop-down, select Product Adjustment. Now scroll to the filter section. Select Product in List. Then choose the products you want. For example, basic cotton t-shirts and sports caps. This means the discount will only apply to these selected products. Scroll down to the discount settings. Set discount type a fixed discount. Enter the value $5. This means $5 will be deducted from each eligible product. Enable the discount bar. Click Save Rule. Now let's test it. Go to the store and you can see only t-shirt and sport cap are discounted. The original price is $10 and after the $5 discount, the final price becomes $5. Add them to the cart. You can see the discount applied automatically. You can also see the amount the customer saves on each item. Now let's create a category-based promotion. In this example, we'll give 50% off all products in the caps category. Click Add New Rule. Enable the rule. Name the rule Caps Category 50% Sale. In this discount type drop-down, choose Product Adjustment. Now go to the Filter section. Choose Category. In List. Then select Caps. This ensures the discount will only apply to products in the Caps category. Scroll down to the discount settings. Set discount type percentage discount. Enter the value 50. This means every product in the Caps category will receive 50% off. Save the rule. Now let's test it. Go to the shop page and add a cap product to the cart. As you can see, only the caps are discounted. When we check the cart page, we can see the discount applied. Original price $10, discount applied 50%, final price $5. And that's how you can create product discounts in WooCommerce using the product adjustment feature. In the next video, we'll explore another discount feature and show you how to create more advanced promotions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.